everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, we're going to sing a solid 13-minute vocal warm-up for singers that's very versatile. It's a great daily warm-up that's also great before rehearsals or performances. Go ahead and check in on your alignment and breathing for a moment. Take a couple of low, relaxed breaths. Exhale on a sigh. As you sing, keep checking in for any unnecessary tension in the body. Let's begin this vocal warm-up on a semi-occluded zh sound. Let's sing this pattern. Here we go. Sticking now with a narrow range, we're going to sing on ku, like ku. Make sure you're breathing low. Here we go. Ku. Moving now to some interval work, we're going to do a gentle hum on the following pattern. Here we go. I wanted to make sure that you've heard that I've published a mobile app for singers. I've packed it full of some of my best vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. It's commercial free, and it has an option to save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. The link's below. Take a moment now to notice and release any tight muscles in the neck, tongue, or jaw. We're going to sing on Vah Vah like Vah 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 Vah. Here we go. Vah 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 Vah. Vah 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 Vah. Vah Let's keep working on relaxation as we just allow the tip of the tongue to move as we sing on lu-li lu. We'll sing this pattern. Lu-li 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 lu. 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 Now to maintain steady airflow and a relaxed jaw on this next exercise, we're going to sing on Vah Vah like Vah Vah Vah. Give it a try. Vah Vah Maintain an open, relaxed, and rounded feeling in the vocal tract as we sing on money, 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 and money, 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 Let's relax with a little lip trill. Any pitch that feels good, just a little bit of up and down. We're going to finish up now thinking of a sigh and gentle jaw movement as we sing Sah-ee and O. We'll sing the following pattern. Sah-ee, ah-ee, 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 oh-ee, oh-ee, oh. 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 Thanks for singing with me. Let's do it again soon. If you like my videos, I hope you'll like, subscribe, and check out my Vocal Warmup app. Keep singing. I'll see you next time. Hey. You gonna help me today?